Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is blackberry grilled cheese with bacon sandwich. Okay, we're going to butter our sourdough bread and place it in a skillet, and then we're going to add our blackberry jam. We'll butter our other slice of sourdough bread. Spread the blackberry jam on our sourdough that's in the skillet. We'll add our cheese. I'm adding mozzarella, but you can add Swiss or any other cheese you like. Add your banana peppers, or you can use jalapeños. And then your slices of bacon. If you want more cheese, you can add more cheese. Now we're going to grill this at medium heat, around 4 minutes, 5 minutes per side, depending on your oven. And we'll flip it, push down, and we'll continue grilling until all the cheese is melted. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.